are ready.
And closed off. Okay, who'll be the giant?
Oh, it's me.
It's you!
Busy bitchy. I knew Fizzy was a bitchy.
No! No!
Sorry, Stolas.
Son of a bitch!
Sorry, Stolas.
Ah, fuck.
How am I still kidding you?
That's his question, Christina.
How?
No! No! I'm not dodging it! Oh! No, you're freaking! What the?
And Christina's now food. You off, French fry.
See you later!
How the hell am I a French fry?
It's my way of insulting your ass.
Hey, you French fry buff!
Press the button, Christina.
I'm trying to get on your widget!
You're French fry.
God damn it, I need to crouch down for this or change my height!
Crouch.
Like, hold up!
Hold still.
No! Suck it, Foshi.
Okay, there! Okay, there we go! I tried! I tried because I
Yeah,
changed
well,
my
let's
stupid
see.
height!
Stop being a French fry for once.
See you later!
How? How? I killed you! And...
No, you didn't.
Yes, I did.
I'm still alive now! Fuck you, you French chief! Now
Well,
you're
let's hold still.
done!
No, no.
Stop being a dick by Blitz, Fizzy.
I'm nice. Sometimes.
Don't believe it.
I jumped to the blaze
Where
like a
did
Okay,
fucking
I'm sorry.
idiot!
This was not a good game to be doing. We are not. There's no way for me to see a win. This is way too hard. We're just two people. It's a miracle if we win.
Motherfucker!
Yeah!
Oh my god, it's a miracle.
Get over here.
Get blasted in
No.
the face. No, no. I'm not getting eaten by your ass.
Damn, I was born away for this.
Awesome.
Who is next?
Who is next? Who is
Casino.
next?
What?
It's
Oh,
you!
it's
It's a mid shit.
Loona.
Of course,
Not today, Loona. Oh shit. Shit.
I summon Tim.
what the fuck? You son of a...
I jumped off you one. That's bullshit.
I must summon all my
There's an eyelash in my eye. There's an eyelash in my eye.
Give us you.
Got it!
Christina, go for the 3. Go for the 3. It's extra damage. Shit!
Ah, dang it! I'm going to the thirds! Long live
Yeah.
Can you stop?
She's crazy with her tentacles! God damn it!
Excuse me.
Dude, yeah, the tentacle madness!
No! What the fuck? Where did that come from?
Cowboy! Oh, you son of a... You let him!
How did y'all survive this
shit.
when I had this once?
Ah! You're no joke!
No!
No joke at all? No joke at all! God damn it! That does it! No! No, no, no! I'm like waist baiting right now.
Christina, no! No! Fuck you. I was exited out of VRCHAT by accident.
You know, saying that word does not get you in trouble on YouTube for some reason.
I feel like it should.
Okay,
I'm already
they
getting
allow
canceled.
F-words and stuff.
already
Well,
getting
they don't.
canceled.
You expect that?
I'm already getting canceled.
You're recording?
No, I wasn't.
Oh.
You got you.
Hell
yeah.
Oh, it's Christina.
I got confused for a second. I saw my name. What I was gonna say?
I was confused too.
I was not
I saw my name. It's like
Oh
that's
shit.
not.
Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit.
I
Oh
don't
shit.
want
Oh shit.
tentacles.
Oh shit.
Yeah, the tentacles. I did try to steal my tentacles from me. That's my job.
Is my sister missing?
Not anymore.
I gotta edit that out.
I don't know what that does, anyways.
Okay, screw it. I'm being.
I just freaking explode those shit.
Come on, yes!
But there's no way two people could do this.
Yes, we can. Oh, you're.
I'm so dead. I fell off.
Did you just fall off?
Ah, shit! What the fuck?
Ooh! I almost died.
I just got my ass.
God damn it! I got locked dead. The freak got locked kicked out.
Okay, can we start making a rule of the Poseidon one? Because this one's like overpowered as shit.
Okay, agreed. I agree. I can't handle it. It's too much for my ass.
No! No!
Yo!
Hey!
Vagina.
It's called karma, motherfucker.
It's not. I use my own weapon against me, you meanie.
Hey!
Save
It's the
time.
possum.
That's Moxie.
No, you're a possum.
I am not. I'm a frog.
That's what a possum is.
With it.
You didn't get
Don't
the
see
joke.
the fog. Okay.
You didn't get the joke. Osmodius calls Fizzarolli frog.
So long.
Well, season 3 is coming out soon.
I actually can't wait.
I need to rewatch this
just son
so
of a-
I can get back into knowing stuff.
What the fuck? They don't
When
Beyblades?
Christina's Tessa dies, we should watch some of it so I can
Right.
remember. That's not been on. Has been watched in a long time.
How?
Okay, I think we gotta do a different game for the content because this is way too hard for two people. I can't get to a button, love. I have not got one jump, and you're killing us way too easily. It's a miracle if we win.
Motherfucker!
Yeah!
I feel like humans won just like once, and that was like the first round with me. How did you
I don't know
win?
how to survive that, but okay.
That's my question.
I don't even
Did
know.
Christina
I just
crash?
saw how to survive that. Yes. And you lost. Oh, crash. But